Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off today with this little house from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the hanger off, and then I am going to paint this house and this little crate both white. And they're both from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to paint this with a quick coat of white. I know it's already white, but it just wasn't bright enough for me. So I'm going to add some white on top of that. I'm just using white chalk paint. I painted the whole thing. I didn't do in between the slats on that. And then I'm going to paint the crate the same white. And make sure that you do the bottom of the crate because you will be able to see that. You don't have to do the back side. And then I did a little bit into the inside of it just so that you can't see the color of the crate once I fill it. So now that we have both of those painted, I'm going to set those aside. And I got this home cutout from Hobby Lobby. And I picked out a color yellow that's going to match the florals that I'm going to use, and I'm going to paint just the front with this yellow color. So as you can see, I'm trying not to get any on the edges, and when I did, I took a baby wipe and wiped off all of the paint around the edges once I was finished painting the whole thing. Just kind of going along the whole thing and painting just the front. And I really like this yellow. It's not too bright. It's a very soft yellow color, which I really liked. So once I have that all painted and everything is all dry, I'm going to start assembling it. You don't have to paint the back. I did. I am going to glue that right to the bottom of this house, right in the center. Then I'm going to take this home sign. I'm going to put some glue on that, and I'm going to glue this to the top half. So kind of centering it. Once I have that attached, I'm going to take some floral foam. And I kind of cut it down to the size of the box. I'm just checking here to make sure that it's going to fit. And then I'm going to hot glue that to the bottom of the box. And then I'm going to fill it with these florals that I got from Dollar Tree. And as I said before, see the colors of the yellow match the florals. And I'm just going to kind of stick these randomly throughout this little box. I used two different kinds. Both are from Dollar Tree. Just kind of setting them in there where I thought that they looked good. I wanted it to be really full. And push that down in. Kind of arrange it how you want it. And then I am going to just add the hanger that it came with right back on. And that is it. This project turned out so super cute. And it was really, really easy to make. I think this just screams spring. I absolutely love it. And I love that almost everything except for that home cutout, which they do have something similar at Dollar Tree. You could totally use that. And then this is a full Dollar Tree project. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.